But right now, I want to shift focus to President Draupadi Murmu, Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, and her flight on board the Rafale, the 4.5 generation Omni-Role fighter jet at the Ambala Air Base earlier this morning. This is the second fighter jet she is flying. She flew on board a Sukhoi 30 MKI at Tezpur in 2023. So she's flown both the fighter jets that played a stellar role during Operation Sindoor, decimating Pakistani terror bases, radar stations and 11 air bases. But the sting is in the tail. That photograph on your television screen with the first woman Rafale fighter pilot, squad leader Shivangi Singh, that Pakistanis claimed had been captured when they falsely claimed a Rafale was shot down during Operation Sindoor. Pakistani lies have been caught out, and how?
President Draupadi Murmu takes a sortie in Rafale fighter jet from the Air Force Station in Ambala. The President, who's the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, flew for around 30 minutes. The Rafale jet President Murmu flew was used in Operation Sindoor, which saw the Indian Air Force bombing terror headquarters deep inside Pakistan just a few months ago. But it was this frame that stole the show. The President, alongside squadron leader Shivangi Singh, the IAF first woman Rafale pilot. The same officer Pakistan falsely claimed was captured during Operation Sindoor earlier this year.
According to the military sources, at least 2 more Indian fighter jets, these are Rafales, according to the government of Pakistan, have been shot down. A female pilot has been taken into custody. She was one of the fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force.
At that time, the Indian government had rubbished the claims. A PIB fact check had called them baseless and fabricated. Squadron leader Shivangi Singh had earned her qualified flying instructor badge at Tambaram in Tamil Nadu on Tuesday. Later in the visitor's book, the President noted, "The sortie on the Rafale is an unforgettable experience for me. The first flight on the potent Rafale aircraft has instilled in me a renewed sense of pride in the nation's defense capabilities. From the cockpit to the command, this was a moment of national pride and a message to India's enemies that our skies are secure and our resolve firm." Bureau Report, India Today.